Hello students, today we are going to start standard 6th maths chapter number 5, practice set 17. Question number 1, carry out the following division. Now in this they have given you 4.8 divided by 2. Now you have to divide and see. So this point, after one number there is point, so you will write 10 here, and the same division sign. Now 2 here, no number is there, so you can write here 1. Students, the thing is that you have to write in denominator only, not in numerator. Now 48 upon 10. Now this I will do the reciprocal, which we have already studied in 4th chapter. So this divide will become multiply, and this 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Now with 2 table I will cancel 48, so we get 24. Like that, the 24 upon 10 I have written here. So in point the answer will be 2.4, because 10 is there, so after one number I will put a point. Similarly, we will solve the second sum also. 17.5 divided by 5. Now here after one number there is point, so 10 I will write here and divide 5 upon 1. I will do reciprocal of this. This will become multiply by 1 upon 5. Now I will cancel 5 with 175. I will get 35 upon 10. Now we will put point, that is 3.5. Same way we will solve the third one also and fourth one also. Now we shift to problem set question number 2. Now students, here there is the question. A road is 4 kilometer 8 meter long. That means this much kilometer the road is long. If trees are planted on both its side, it intervals of 96 meter, how many trees were planted? That means students, one road is there, and on the road the trees were planted. On this side also the trees is planted, and this side also the tree was planted. So you have to say how much trees are planted on sides. So we will do, length is given to you, that is 4 kilometer 80 meter, and the width of the road is 9.6. see here, 9.6 meter. Now we will solve the sum. 4 kilometer 800 meter. So kilometer will convert into meter. I want to convert into meter. So what I will do, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, which you know. You will, like this you will do 4 kilometer plus 800 meter, 4 into 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 into 1000, 4000, and plus 800. So we will get answer 4800 meter. So I have written here. Like this we will convert and we can write the answer. Now the distance between consecutive trees is 9.6 meter. That means the width of the road is 9.6. The number of trees planted on one side, that means on one side the trees is 4800 meter long road, the length of the road they have said. Now what you will do, you will take the width of road, that is 9.6, and the length of road, that is 4800. Now we will, same way we have done here, so like that only we will divide and see the answer. After one number there is point, so I will put 10 here, and the same division, and 4800 upon 1. Now I will do reciprocal of this. This will become multiply and 1 upon 4800. Now 96 I will multiply with 4800. Here I have done the rough work, so you can do here or you can directly cancel it. So 96 divided by 480, I got 50 answer here. So I've cancelled with 50. Now 10 is remaining, multiplication sign and 50. 10 50 is that will give you 500. So trees are planted on one side of the road is 500 plus 1 is equal to 501, and the trees are planted on both the side of the road is 501. That means one side 501, another side will be also 501. So I will multiply and see 501 multiplied by 2, I will get 1002. 1002. Therefore 1002 trees are planted on both side of the road. Like this you have to solve question number 2. Similarly we will see the question number 3. See here, Pradnya exercise regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walk a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds of the path, how much did she walk in one round? That means Pradnya is walking on a field, and she covered distance 3.825 km in 9 rounds. So what they are asking, how much distance she walked in one round. That means you have to take out in one round how much distance he walked. So students, look here, 3.825 km in 9 rounds. Therefore in one round 8.825 divided by 9 km. So I will divide and see the same way. After how much number there is point 1 2 3, after 3 numbers, so I will put 1000 here and divide 9 upon 1. Now I will do reciprocal of this divide will become multiply and 1 upon 9. Now in 9 table I will see 3825 how much are. So here I have divide and see, the answer is 425. So I have cancelled 425 and I have written here 425 upon 1000. Now similarly I will put a point 0.425. So therefore Pradnya walked 0.425 km in one round. This much kilometer he walked in one round. Now similarly we will see the last, that is fourth. A pharmaceutical manufacturer brought 0 to 5 quintal of Hirida, a medicinal plant, for 9,500 rupees. What is the cost per quintal of Hirida? 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So students, pharmaceutical manufacturing, that means pharmaceutical industry is there. So in there 0.25 quintal of Hirida. Hirida is a medicinal plant, you can say. See here they have written medicinal plant for 9,500 rupees. What will be the cost per quintal of Hirida? You have to take out that. So now see here, the cost of 0.5 quintal of Hirida is rupees 9,500. Therefore the cost of 1 quintal of Hirida is equal to 9,500 divided by 0.25. Now here we will divide and see 0.25 divided by 9,500. So after 2 number there is point, so I will put 100 here and the division 9,500 upon 1. Now here same I will write and I will do the reciprocal of this. Divide will become multiply and this 1 upon 9,500. Now with 25 table I will divide 9,500. So I have done here. So my answer is 380. So I have cancelled with 380 here. Now 100 is remaining and 380. So I will multiply 100 into 380. My answer is 38,000. So like this you have to solve. Therefore the cost of Hirida per quintal is rupees 38,000. Like this you have to solve question number 4. So students, here we complete this chapter. Thank you students.